incredible, one-of-a-kind off-road smart car.
And Builders Inc. let us have this for free under the condition we turned it into the ultimate Mudbilly's off-road event vehicle.
So we invited Josh down to the Van Life Man Cave to get this project going.
And we got it to this point in just one day.
Let's take him back to where it all began. Yeah, boy, how's it going?
Yes!
Yeah, boy!
My good friend. Oh shit, there's a lorry. There's a lorry.
Let me introduce to you my good friend and the absolute legend, King Billy, Josh from Hillbilly Nation and Mudbilly's. Josh, what is the plan?
Right, basically, a dear friend of mine from Builders Inc. He said, Josh, I've got a smart car. I've used it as a promo vehicle. I think it's time for it to be off-roading. So I've already put some off-road knobblies on.
Mate, they're naughty.
Which the fitment.
What's going on here then?
Oh, just a bit of trim. We've got some stickers to go on it. We've got a Raptor paint to finish it off. Roof rack.
Honestly, I don't know all about what he's got planned, and that sounds sick, mate.
Yeah.
So, mate, I'm excited for this adventure.
Let's get her
Should we get him in?
Let's get
it in
Let's
and get it going. Come on! Right, I'm driving it in. You lot are deliberating. King Billy's getting the stickers off by hand, and I've got something called a toppy wheel, which we learnt about today. We're going to just go around and just blitz it up, mate. And just give it a fucking whiz, innit?
Go home. Go home. Right. Yeah, as you can see, I'm just peeling the stickers off the side. Grinder! Grind it off. Obviously. Jeez. We're going to be painting it anyways. Oh my god. Carl? Carl! Carl! To make life easier. Ah, fuck, I'm taking the paint off as well.
What are you doing?
I'm melting the plastic and...
Josh, mate, I can't believe this is the guy who's like, oh, watch out, it's my daily.
Is that not a good idea?
I'd say no.
But it's come off. Oh shit. It's a bit dirty now. Do you think the sticker will stick to that? I've literally melted the paint off.
So what? Look at that, mate. Oh, anything to make your life easier, eh, Josh?
That's such a better idea. The compression set off. Oh, mate, you're doing great. I guess all the flaky bits are off. It doesn't really matter about. Like when you paint it, it's not, as long as the flaky bits are off, it ain't gonna flake off, is it?
Yeah.
Oh mate, I think the blades are ruined. I put the stickers on first,
and then paint around
and then paint around them.
So far, we've been about as productive as I normally am on my own, and got nothing done. We've managed to get some stickers off, and now we are going to do some washing, some jet washing.
Oh shit!
Yeah.
Please just say you love me. I don't wanna. You're doing great. Can I wash it now?
Oh, what have I got myself into here? Well, as long as he's having fun, that's all that matters, really. I don't think we're going to get much done today.
That's a really smart car, isn't it? Not sure this is how you prep a Prestige motor, but Hillbilly one, you can't lose.
Smart car, the ultimate off-road vehicle for all weathers.
Man, I bet that was nice.
Well, we're absolutely gleaming. We started off washing the car, ended up washing ourselves. We've not had a bath in about a year, so. How you feeling, Josh? Clean?
I'm feeling prepared for the stickers. We've got a little bit of wax. Bit of toffee wheel on the old Smarty, but I think the stickers are good enough. It will stick to anything. Followed by the Raptor paint. That will complete the look. We then just got to mount the roof rack, and then Smart Car Mudbillies is complete. Are you not helping? Yeah, it looks like it. Yeah, you're doing great, but Carl. You look shit. I guess this bit will. It's like a little divot. What's going on, mint? That is mint. That is absolutely mega, isn't it? Is going to look mint. Well, I probably have cut through, but at least we can like spray over it, can't we? That actually looks really good. I'm really pleased with that. So what we've done now is we've applied the sticker, but we've left the masking sticker that's over the top. We've left that on so that when we spray it, we can spray around, and then when it starts to set, we can peel this sticker off, and the sticker will still be back to black behind the paint. That's the theory. Okay, we're going to get these stickers on. Join us a little bit later on for the next stage of the build.
Right, bruv. So, car's clean. We've got some stickers on, Big Josh, Hillbilly. Looking sick, looking good. Now we're going to mask and tape it up and get some Raptor paint on.
I think I know what I'm doing. Stick that in there like that. Something. Carl! Help.
Josh thinks that by putting the stuff on first and then putting tape on top of it, it's going to hold it, but you know.
Is this going to work?
I don't think that's going to work very well. But we're going with it. He's told me not to tell him what to do, and so I won't. And we'll see how it goes.
Smash the lights up. We don't want black lights because we won't be able to see where we're going. Once we start spraying, mate, like if we haven't masked something up, it's gonna be savage. I suppose we don't want to go into whatever that.
Amber Heard shat on Johnny Knoxville, Johnny Depp's.
Oh, well, that's right now, yeah.
This is, you've at least got a bit there. Saves you a fair bit of maskers that. I don't see what can go wrong really. As long as
it's pretty good.
I think I mean the worst case scenario is that we've done zero prep to the actual bodywork and it doesn't fucking stick, but I'm sure it will.
Well, I'm not really sure I'm not really sure how to stop overspray. Yeah? Hiya.
We're masking up the windows. It's taken a bit of time and it requires attention to detail, which the two things I'm horrendous at. So I'm currently bored shitless, but I'm doing what I can for my best mate Josh over there, who's having about as much fun as I am.
I think that's my signature. Just to say, you know, it's my car. I might take the rest of the year off after this, just to recover. Whoever does this is like full-time work. Like,
fuck that shit.
Fair play.
So we're just grizzing it out. Hopefully soon get some paint on it and then be done for the day. Go jump in the river, get pissed up. That's hard, that mate.
So the final touches for the masking, I'm just getting done now, and then we're gonna let her have it. We're gonna let her have it.
Yeah, let her have it.
Black bed liner for the smart car. Let's have it.
Yeah, let's do it and stuff.
Be bro. Oh, fuck.
What? Shit! Josh!
Mate!
What? What's up?
The gun is in the boot. And we've just mashed it up.
Are you fucking joking?
I'm not joking.
Oh, mate,
man.
wait. Take it easy, because there's bits.
Just reach.
Oh, mate.
Is it gonna break?
Yeah. Does this come down?
Oh, shit. Can we not just do like...
Mate, hang on.
Hang on, whoa, stop. I can do it. I can get it. It's right there. Who's got a smaller hand? Nope.
It's Crystal Maze.
Oh, fuck.
It's broke.
I've got it. Yes! I reckon one of these will do the whole car. Because there's not actually that much area to do. But I wonder if once we do it, we can still open the... Maybe we should tape that up. So we should tape those bits up where, like, to actually take the bonnet off, or do you think?
No, fuck it.
Just paint over it?
Yeah.
What if it, like, well, yeah.
Josh, mate.
I'm just going to test.
Just make sure you don't go over anything else.
What do you mean? I'm not going to...
Yeah, mate.
Huh?
Right, so Josh being Josh couldn't wait more than 30 seconds for the camera to turn on.
So, here we are then.
That is the worst spray painted car I've ever seen.
Mate, it's the bollocks.
I think it looks good.
I think it looks amazing. This.
Something special, that, mate. You know, looks like a Batmobile, like the Shatmobile.
I might let them now. Oh, I've missed a bit at the front, but that's fine. We'll get that.
Yeah,
We'll get that in a sec. How sick is this for a little, like, just a little side project? Little, in a day, we've managed to turn a white, glow-in-the-dark smart car into the Black Death. It looks like Black Death.
The most important thing to note when you're using Raptor liner is it is professional use only. So only the likes of King Billy and myself can be using this stuff. Isn't that right, Josh?
I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory.
Exactly. And that's that then. Professionals, Raptor liner, send us some free stuff. The car looks sick. I think Josh is more impatient than me because we were supposed to give it an hour to set, but he's gone straight in with a second coat.
So what we've done, we've stuck the stickers on prior to paint with a little border on the outside, so hopefully when we peel it off, it will be completely black. So let's try. It's sick.
Yeah, cool.
Do you not like it?
I love it. I fucking love it.
Okay.
Absolutely love it.
Just nice and slow.
Yeah, that Raptor stuff's already drying there.
It is already drying.
That's funky, actually.
It is cool. I've got a lot of time for that. What do we think?
We like.
We like? We like it? It looks crazy, man. Oh, mate. That is mental. How nuts is that?
Go on, you got to give a bit more.
How mad is that? Like, the transformation is just emotional. We are bolting the roof rack together, and then we're going to weld it to the roof of the smart car, he says. That's the idea. And as you can see, Carl's helping.
No, I'm trying to sort some shit out. Right, so we're prepping now to get the roof rack on. Josh is currently cutting 6 inches of steel.
8.
8 inches of steel. It's about that big, isn't it? 8 inches.
something.
Yeah, and then yeah, 8 inches of steel, just so that we can get it raised up off the roof a little bit. He's gonna weld it straight on.
You clean up that.
Yeah, where are you going? How far up?
There.
Okay, so.
Yeah?
Yeah.
If you tidy up that bit there for me.
Thanks,
Carl, busting that.
The fuck was that? You can't.
He jumped that skin.
Hey!
But look at the welding on the
Mate,
bottom.
I've actually welded! I've welded!
Mate, that's me.
Ah, mate, yes! Yeah, John!
Yeah, baby! No, more.
Yeah, baby! Yeah! I don't know what I'm doing, but let's get these welds on and we're good to go. You doing it? No, you do it.
Yeah, you got this?
Yeah.
Do it properly. Mate, lots of bird shit in the end today. Starlings, I think. That's what I like. Oh, Starling!
Oh, it's still a bit warm, but I might have some fucking bread on, so. Yes, mate.
Yeah.
Mate, after a long old slog for the day.
Yeah.
What's happened then, Josh?
We have finally.
You did it.
We did a thing. So
Mate.
it's about time you had a look at least where we've got to. So after it was a white, pearlescent, shitty little smart car.
Shitbox.
It's now transformed into something that looks like an off-road.
What do you reckon? Shoe show.
Come on, let's have a look. She's got some mad wheels.
What are you calling it? Black Billy, we go. Black Billy go.
The Black Billy.
Guys, this has been a slog. It's been a labour of love today, isn't it, Josh?
It's been
But-
emotional.
But we're pretty much.
There's a few finishing touches, but we're all
yeah,
there.
there's stuff you want to do, right?
What's the whole?
Right now, mate, you've got a pretty sick promo vehicle. I mean,
Yeah.
you can go out and promote Mudbilly. So what is this for? Tell us what this has been made for and,
So
and what we're promoting and
it's
we're
basically a promotional vehicle for this year's Mudbilly's 2024. End of summer sends at Little Silver MX on the 7th and 8th of September. You can all join us there. But more importantly, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, bust a nut. Let's go, baby.
Yeah, buddy! Guys, we're going to be at this event as well with our big friend here, Josh, King Billy. Absolutely buzzing, mate. Thanks for coming over today.
Thank you for having me.
Had an
and thanks
awesome
for all your
time.
help. Yeah.
Fucking sick. Can't wait
Sick.
to see when it's absolutely finished and completed, what it looks like.
Woo!
Nice. So, guys, as Josh said, like, subscribe to us, like and subscribe to Hillbilly Nation UK and Mudbilly's official. They are the boys. He's King Billy. Proud to have him on the channel today. We've had a great time. Thank you for following us. We love you. Peace out, guys.